The human brain, weighing just about 3 pounds, is the control center of the body. This amazing organ is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, memories, and movements. The outer layer, known as the cerebral cortex, is the most evolved part of the brain. It is divided into 2 hemispheres and is responsible for higher functions like thinking, perception, and voluntary movements. The brain is divided into 4 main lobes, each responsible for different functions. The frontal lobe controls decision-making, problem-solving, and motor functions. The parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch and spatial awareness. The temporal lobe is responsible for auditory information and memory. The occipital lobe processes visual information. The brain communicates through a vast network of specialized cells called neurons. There are around 86 billion neurons in the human brain. Scene 5. Neuron communication. Synapse. Neurons communicate through electrical impulses and chemical signals. When a neuron wants to send a message, an electrical signal travels down its axon. At the end of the axon, the signal triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synapse, the small gap between neurons. Scene 6. Neurotransmitters at work. Different neurotransmitters carry different messages, such as regulating mood, controlling movement, or managing reward and pleasure. Scene 7. The limbic system, emotions and memory. Deep within the brain lies the limbic system, which controls emotions and memory. The amygdala processes emotions, especially fear and pleasure, while the hippocampus helps form new memories. The brain controls the body through the motor and sensory cortices. The motor cortex sends signals to muscles to initiate movement, while the sensory cortex processes touch, pain, and temperature. The brain also controls involuntary actions through the autonomic nervous system, like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. One of the brain's most fascinating abilities is neuroplasticity, the capacity to adapt and rewire itself in response to new experiences or injury. From thoughts and emotions to controlling every function of our bodies, the brain is the most complex and powerful organ we possess.